Good morning, Diggs, my darling.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Carl.
Good morning, Maxine.
Today, we are going to create a new water tower, recycling a lot of materials from the old one. Carl?
Yes, boss?
I'll need you to lift down the old tower and put it into lug. Maxine?
I'll mix up some fine cement to secure the legs.
Now, Diggs, I'll need you to dig some trenches for the new pipes.
I'm on my way, boss. Boom!
And Carrie?
Yes, Boza?
I want you to go over to the old warehouse. There's lots of old pipes there that we could use.
Consider it done.
Right then.
What about me, Boza?
Well, Scooch, I've got a big job for you this afternoon.
Oh.
So I think you should spend the morning resting, so you can be ready for it.
A morning off? Oh, what a joy. Now, where's the best place for me to have a rest?
Oh, Scooch!
Oh, hello, Diggs.
Look, I know Boza said you should have a rest, but I could really do with some help getting rid of all the dirt from those trenches.
Oh, well,
Oh, please, Scooch. Best buddy.
Oh, all right, Diggs.
Oh, top gear! I'll give you a toot when I'm ready for you.
Okay. Oh, I know you should always help your friends, but Boza told me to have a rest.
Oh, Scooch!
Oh, hello, Carrie.
Look, Scooch, I know Boza told you to have a rest, but he sent me over to that creepy old warehouse all on my own. You wouldn't come and keep me company, would you? Scoochy woochy.
Oh, all right, Carrie.
Oh, Scooch, you are such a good chum.
Oh, dear. Looks like I'm not going to have a rest after all.
Come on, Scooch.
Coming. Oh. You're right about it being creepy in here.
See, I told you. Ah, there's the pipes. I'll get started.
Oh.
Well, talk to me then.
Right then.
That sounds like Diggs tooting.
Oh dear, I nearly forgot. I said I'd help him with something.
Scooch, but you said you'd keep me company.
I'll only be a second. I'll be right back.
Okay. But you better be. I really don't like it in here. Oh.
Must be some kind of emergency dump.
Oh, Scooch, where have you been?
Oh, I'm sorry, I had to do something for Carrie.
Oh, but you're supposed to be resting.
I know. So, what do you want me to do?
Well, first you can take this lot over to the dump, then get back here as fast as you can.
Okay. Don't worry. Oh no, that's Carrie. I'd better get back to the warehouse.
Scooch, where did you get to?
I'm sorry, Carrie.
That's Diggs tooting, isn't it?
He
He needs you again, doesn't he? Look, Scooch, you said you keep me company. This is really unfair.
I'll be really quick. You won't even notice I'm gone.
Oh, Scooch!
Dumpentoken. I see that you finished resting. Could you please take these over to the landfill site for me? And then, could you come straight back for another itsy bitsy?
All right, Carl. Oh. Oh, no. The landfill site is miles away. How will I get back to Carrie and Diggs? Oh, why does everybody keep asking me to do things? I'm supposed to be having a rest. Oh, no. There's Diggs. Oh, no. There's Carrie.
Don't be too long, little Dumpentoken.
Oh, no. There's Carl.
Scooch,
Oh, no. There's Maxine. Maxine?
could you please tell me what all this zooming here, there, and everywhere is all about on your morning off?
Oh, well, Carrie, Diggs, and Carl all asked me to do things, and I have to zoom because I'm trying to do all of them.
Scooch, there is a little word that would have saved you all this zooming.
Oh, tell me what the word is, Maxine.
No,
Oh, please tell me, Maxine.
I said no.
Oh, why would you tell me?
I'm telling you, the word is no.
Oh,
All you had to do when they asked you to help them was tell them no. You were told to have a rest, and saying no was the only way you were going to get one.
but then I would have been letting them all down.
Scooch!
Where is
Scooch!
that little Dumpentoken? I'm getting a creepy strain. Hold on this
Oh.
thing.
I've let them all down anyway, haven't I?
You didn't mean to, darling. You thought you were doing the best thing. I'm sure they all understand.
You should have just said, little buddy. I'd have just done it myself.
And I would have faced the creepy warehouse alone.
And I would just have asked Lug. Simple as that.
Oh, well, next time I'll know what to do. I'll just say no.
Scooch, I hope you're rested, because it's time for your afternoon job. You are going to be helping Lug dump a couple of tons of gravel around the new tower. So, what'd you say?
No, 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 no. Ha!
You mean you don't want to do the job?
Oh, no, Bosa. I'd love to do the job. I was just practicing saying no, and it was much easier than I thought.
Yay! Good old Scooch.
Always remember that.
Come on then, everybody. I hope you all feel like getting back to work. Come on, you trucks.